Hi everyone, welcome to this video on data types in C++. In the previous video, we have discussed about variables, data types. Now let's talk about the different data types that C++ offers. C++ has several built-in data types, including int for integers, float for floating point numbers, double for double precision floating point numbers, char for characters, bool for Boolean values. Let's see some code that uses these data types. In this code, we declare variables of each data type and assign them values. We then use cout to display the value of each variable. That's all for this video on data types in C++. We have covered what variables are in previous video, how to declare them, and the different data types available in C++. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.